Hi everybody, this is Sheila. Welcome back to the Crochet Nurse channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to talk about and look at some silk yarn from Darn Good Yarns. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And I'm going to share with you up front to stay toward the end because we are going to do a giveaway. Okay, so as I shared, I think it was a week or week and a half ago, I do have an affiliate with Darn Good Yarn, and this company has sent me a few skeins of their silk yarn for me to look at and review. And just in case you guys were not aware about Darn Good Yarns, it is a yarn company that not only does yarn, but they do a lot of other things. They have bead kits, and they have macrame, and they make sari skirts, those kinds of things. They recycle the products from India and Nepal. That's where they primarily do their production. They do a lot of recycling of textile products, and they put a lot of people to work in Nepal and India to do this work. And so all of the product that they get helps actually, it's reclaimed product that actually is recycled, and it helps the planet. And so that's a really great mission statement that they have going on as far as that goes, and I'm totally on board with that kind of mission statement with them doing this kind of work to help the planet. What I'm wearing, just so and everybody's aware, is this is a cowl that I made from the Darn Good Yarn unboxing that I did last week or the week before. I don't remember. I think maybe it was a week and a half ago. But they had sent me box number 1 of Darn Good Yarn, and this is the cowl that I made from it. It's not their pattern. I created my own pattern for it, and you can see it turned out quite nice. You can go back and watch that video from last week if you're interested in the pattern for this. This took a 50-gram skein of silk. That pattern for that is on my website at thecrochetinurse.com. Okay, so let's move on. Today what we're going to talk about is some additional silk that I have and that we're going to be kind of looking at. So the first one we'll look at here, and this one is Journey Recycled Silk Yarn. And look at those colors. And this is in the colorway of Sunny Waters. And it is, just so we can get some stats on it, hold up there so you can look at it. It is, you recommends hook size 3.5 to 4.5. It is 50 grams, 185 yards. This one's a unique silk. It's a size 2. And what's interesting about their yarns is that the silk is not the silk is not the silk. But that I mean, like this one is different than the other one I'm going to show you. This one is actually 80% bleached silk and then 20% raw silk. So it's a different combination than what some of their other silks are. And if you go into their website and you start reading, it's very fascinating how they're actually, taking this series, and then the series are the dress from over in India and Nepal. They're taking those dresses that those women would wear, and they're taking that product and they're refurbishing and creating yarn and different products out of it. It's really fascinating story. But this one is bleached and raw silk, and so it would be stripped down and then re-dyed and then put together like this. So it's very pretty. MSRP for this is $15.99, and this is the Journey, and I was just on the website a minute ago, and this is actually on sale at their website for $7 a skein right now. And FYI, just so you guys know, if you're interested in any of the products over there, I do have an affiliate link below, and also if you put in the Crochet Nurse 15, you'll save 15% off of your purchase. Okay, let me show you the size of this guy. And this is definitely a 2. And this guy. And it is wound, and you can see the end there. And this is soft. This is very soft. Very pretty. Okay, that's one that they had sent me. And here's the other one as well that they had sent me. Look at this one. Ooh-wee. Look at those colors. This is sport weight, size 2, and recommended 3.5 to 4.5 hook, size 2. This is reclaimed silk. Like I said, a little bit different than the other one. This is reclaimed silk. This is in the color Popsicle. And if you go to the Darn Good Yarn website, this one, what they're calling the sport weight silk, used to be in a fine, and now it's in a number 2. But this is their most popular product that they sell as far as their silk yarns. And man, is that beautiful, right? And you can see the thickness on there. 1 to 2. So what we're going to do, and like the MSRP on this one is also $14.99, and let's see, it is 200 yards. So both of these are 50 grams. Both of these are 50 grams, 170, 185, and then 200 yards. Just depends on which one you're getting a hold of. Okay, I'm back. Had a bit of a dog emergency there. My dog was looking for a place to lay down, and she found it. But I was wondering if she was going to knock things over here because it's a tight little spot. But anyway, and just for anybody who's wondering, she's an Anatoly Shepherd, and her name is Gracie, and she's like 2.5, 3 years old. Okay, anyway, we left off. We were talking about these 2 skeins of yarn. So next steps. And so what we're going to do is I'm going to give one of these skeins away, and I'm going to go ahead and keep one and work it up, because I know I was actually going to give both of them away, and then I went back and I'm looking at my comments, and I know on a regular basis you guys are giving me feedback as far as that I make the products, as far as what I get like from yarn unboxings, things like that. And so I want to continue to do that. And so I will take one of the skeins and I will make something up, so that way we can see what it looks like in action, those kinds of things. Okay, so both of these are beautiful. All right, I'll take the yellow. Okay, because this one is 185 yards. They're both size 2. This is 185 yards and this one is 200, so this one's more yardage. And so we'll take this one as the giveaway. It's got the beautiful purple and then the pinks and some blues. This one's 200 yards, a size 2. Okay, and this is the one we'll use for the giveaway. And so rules, let's see. So we're going to say that it's going to be US only. And it's going to start today, and I'll pick the winner using the random picker next Thursday. We'll cut it off at noon, so that way I can pick it in the afternoon, and then in the evening when I'll have the other piece, I'll have that made. I'll come on, do the random picker, and then show you what I created. Maybe that'll give you some ideas as to what you want to create with yours. Okay. And we probably need a keyword, simply because not everybody's going to want a size 2. And I don't want to keep people from commenting if they want to talk about the yarn, have a conversation with me or other folks about the yarn. So we probably should have, let's see, what do we want? Maybe put purple silk, or maybe just the word purple. Or purple silk. Yeah, okay, purple silk. And so that way it's kind of an odd random thing, and so that way I'll know that you want to enter the contest or enter for the drawing. That way, like I say, you could still have conversations about the yellow or whatever. But so we'll use purple silk, and so I will use the random picker and look for those words together. And if that's the only 2 words you want to put, that's fine. But I still will do as I've done in the past, even on other drawings. I mean, if you put comments down there and asking me questions and we're having a conversation, I will still answer questions and do those kinds of things, because it does not impact the random picker to have a conversation and have a discussion. Okay, so that's what I wanted to share with you today. Like I say, put your comments below if you want to be entered to win this beautiful skinny yarn. Make sure to put purple silk, and we'll do the drawing next Thursday, and I will show you, let's see, the make of what I do on this. I have no idea what I'm going to do yet, but I'll make something and we'll do a review on it and see how it goes. All right, y'all. I will chat with you next time. Have a fantastic day. Bye.